Shakti says, "Those who have communed with the word, their toil shall end, and their faces shall flame with glory. Not only shall they have salvation, but many more shall find freedom with them." So it's an actual practice of spiritual discipline. This light, sound, presence, each plays a specific role in unfoldment of the self. So the teacher gives the Simran or mental repetition of the charged words, which helps in gathering together the wandering wits of the practitioner to the still point of the soul between and behind the two eyebrows, to which place the centric currents now pervading from the top to toe are withdrawn, and one becomes lost in the consciousness of the flesh. The successful completion of the process of itself leads to concentration. This is derived from the Sanskrit root di, meaning to bind and to hold on. So dhyan. With the inner eye opened, we now see shimmering streaks of heaven's light within, and this keeps attention anchored. Gradually the light grows steadily, for it works as a sheet anchor for the soul. Concentration, when perfected, leads to, or the attaining to, the music which emerges from within the holy light, the center of the holy light. And this enchanting holy melody has a magnetic pull which is irresistible, and the soul cannot but follow it to the spiritual source from where the music emerges. The soul is helped by the triple process to slide out of the shackles of the body and becomes anchored in the heavenly radiance of its self and led on to the heavenly home. There are two ways within, the way of the light and the way of the sound, respectively. The holy light keeps the soul anchored and absorbed, and to a certain extent leads the soul as well. But the holy word pulls it upward and carries it across the plane to plane in spite of various hurdles on the way, like blinding or bewildering lights, densely pitched darkness, etc., until the soul reaches its destination. So this is the practice of light, sound, presence, the celestial sound current, the word, the holy name, the ek, the core practice within Rumba's healing arts. The rhombus star alludes to the one point, the gate to unity. So if you'd like any guidance on your practice of light, sound, presence, or you have questions, contact Rumba's Healing Arts, and I'll be happy to guide you on your journey. This is your medicine for today.